Hey girlies! Today I'm going to reveal how to look 10 times more attractive in less than a week using only what you already have. The truth is, we all have beautiful features, but sometimes we don't know how to enhance them properly. So today I'll be sharing the easiest, most realistic steps to glow up, boost your beauty, and feel super confident in your own skin. Let's start with looks, because when someone meets you for the first time, they don't know your personality yet. What they notice first is your appearance. And no, you don't have to look perfect all the time, but a little care goes a long way. First comes your skin. Don't fall for every trend or hyped up product. What really matters is using products that suit your skin type, and always patch test before trying anything new. Honestly, you only need 3 basics for flawless skin: a gentle cleanser, a good moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. If you want extra hydration, add a hydrating face mask once a week and you'll already see the difference. After skin, the next thing people notice is your lips, because when you talk, smile, or laugh, they grab attention. Keep them soft and plump with lip balms or lip oils, but girl, even if your lips are perfect, if your breath smells bad, it kills the vibe instantly. Brushing twice a day is good, but not enough. Always use a tongue scraper to remove bacteria and keep your mouth fresh. And if you still feel your breath isn't fresh, carry a small mouth freshener. Moving to eyes, beautiful clean eyelashes can literally make your face look instantly more attractive. So apply castor oil every night for growth and never sleep with mascara on. It damages lashes. And of course, hair. No matter how good your makeup or skin looks, if your hair doesn't suit your face, your whole look loses its charm. Find a haircut or hairstyle that flatters your face shape and enhances your features, because healthy, shiny hair always elevates your beauty. Now, hygiene is just as important. Imagine your skin is glowing, your lashes are long, and your lips are plump, but you smell like leftover food from last night. That's a big no. Showering is basic, but what really makes a difference is layering your scents. Start with deodorant, then a fresh-smelling body lotion, and finish with a mist or perfume. Want your perfume to last longer? Apply a little Vaseline on your pulse points before spraying. Thank me later. And don't forget the basics like clean, ironed clothes and especially fresh shoes. You may not notice your shoes smelling, but people around you definitely will. For dressing, your outfit can instantly upgrade your look. So understand what flatters your body type and which colors work with your skin tone. Neutral shades like black, white, beige, or navy are always classy and elegant. Make sure your clothes fit well, are clean and ironed, and for everyday wear, stick to comfortable yet stylish tees or tops. A well-put-together outfit always speaks volumes. Shoes are honestly underrated but can transform your whole appearance. Clean, well-maintained shoes instantly make you look polished, and they don't have to be expensive, just neat and matching your outfit. If you're building a collection, invest in essentials: white sneakers, black or transparent heels, and brown boots. These basics go with almost everything. Jewelry also works wonders when minimal and classy. A delicate necklace, a pair of studs, or a stylish watch can elevate your whole look effortlessly. Lifestyle plays a huge role in how attractive you appear too. Proper rest, a balanced diet, and staying hydrated naturally enhance your skin, hair, and overall glow, because when you feel good inside, it shows on the outside. Now, makeup. Remember, makeup should enhance your natural beauty, not hide it. A light, fresh look with even skin, a little blush. Clean brows, simple eyeliner, and a touch of lip color will make you radiant without trying too hard. Avoid heavy layers that make you look cakey. Makeup is about highlighting your features, not hiding them. At the end of the day, girlies, being attractive is all about the little details. Your style, hygiene, confidence, jewelry, shoes, and even your lifestyle. True beauty always starts with self-care. So take care of yourself, glow from within, and let your natural charm shine through. Thanks for watching. And remember, you are already beautiful. These tips just help you enhance it.